Here we are going to Vinpearl Island. Apparently this is something like Gold Coast Wet n Wild World or something like that. And we're catching the world's tallest cable car.
Nothing's the world's tallest.
World's tallest, 60 meters high. And look at the view. Nha Trang Beach. And we're going up really high. Holy shit, this is quite scary.
The view's over here, bro.
It's crazy. Look at that view. It's awesome. Crazy. We're going higher and higher. Look at that car go. It's all the way down there. And holy shit, we're pretty high up the ground right now. I think we're almost reached the peak right about now. And you can see down there, there's a pretty awesome beachside. And we're right across the ocean right now. Look at that.